unboxing the Baby Trend Playard. Okay, let's go. Came in this box. I already took it out. This is a storage bag, and it has this the middle piece for it. It also has this thing. Keep your child busy when she's laying down or he. Okay. And it has this little storage, could be a diaper stack or something. So I'm gonna pull it from the base. Okay. So this is the base.
Steps that intersect, dreams that intertwine, and in the gaze of the stranger.
And now for the most important part. So if you notice this middle section, you're going to let it stay up while you open up, okay? So the first thing you're going to do, pull up there, 1, 2, 3, 4 corners or 4 sides. So you're going to pull up each side until you hear a click. So let's go. Let me stand up. Okay. Let's go. Click 1. Okay, it's firm. Oh. Click 2. It's firm. It's firm. It's very easy. On this side, it's firm. So all 4 sides are now firm. So the next thing you're going to do is like open up like this. And then you're going to push the middle section out. Alright. So there you have it. Nice and easy, firm. Okay. The next thing you're going to do is to insert the base. So if you notice at the bottom you have some strips. So this strip has a Velcro. So when you place it flat on the inside, you are going to the bottom. Has some holes and the strips on the base on here. You're going to put it through the holes right here under the bottom, and you're going to fasten onto the Velcro so it stays firm on the bottom. Alright? But I will not do that right now. I'm just doing the basic, okay? So now we have our playard. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. Now I'm going to insert here the bottom, the middle section of it. So I'm going to insert it. So as I go along, you notice that it has a thing on the side. How do I do it? Okay, so I'm going to attach them onto the sides like so. Right. On the other side, we're going to do the same thing. Okay. Alright. Ouch. Didn't go on well at all. Alright. Gonna join these. Alright, so now that you have it, that's what it looks like. Okay, so your baby trend is now set up. So the thing at the bottom, the base, it should be placed on here when this is going to be in use, and that is when you're going to rock your baby to sleep, so your baby could sleep there after playing. So you take the base out and you place it there. You stick these back on like so, like so. Okay, so you want to rock your baby to sleep. That's the purpose of up here, right? So it has, you notice, on the bottom right here, sorry, these are locks, okay? So you can pull it around like so, easily move around. Okay, now you lock it by pressing onto it. So you press your feet onto it like that, and you bring it down so it is locked. It cannot be moved, okay, because it's locked. I'm going to open again, so I push it up. Alright, so the wheels are no longer locked. You can push, you can pull them in, okay? So that's it. Push, push, okay. Now, you can attach all these. You see the diaper stack, you could attach it anywhere. Okay, I won't do that. Just to let you know. And this right here, you attach it whichever area you want to use for the head. Okay, just attach right here onto the head area. Okay, press it down. All right, so there it is. Now, I'm going to show you how to break it down, okay? So let me remove all these parts and break it down so you can see how easy it is. So it's easy to pull up and it's also easy to break down, okay? In order to break it down, please notice something. When you look at the bottom, you will see some instruction. Follow the instruction, okay? So it says turn to unlock. So you're gonna hold on to the thing right here. See, I'm pulling up, it has a handle. They say there to turn it, okay? So I'm gonna hold and I'm gonna turn. And then I'm going to pull it up. And you see it's coming up? Alright, so it's coming up. So you hold it together. And then while holding it together, you're going to press on these, on the sides, so it collapses. Okay, so if you notice I press, see it goes down. I'm going to press also here. And you can see it goes down too. Make sure you keep the center pieces, the center together. Press again and it goes down. Ouch. Press again and it goes down. So all sides collapse. Okay. Bringing it together. All right. So you see it comes right back together. So make sure you scoop it up. When I say scoop it up, I mean like tuck in. Scoop up everything that's out there. Scoop it up. And now the base, you're gonna lay it flat like so. Place it on it. All right. Bring it over like so. And like so. And then these Velcro that you see here, you're gonna insert it into the lock or the holes that you see here. Push it through, bring it together, put it through, bring it together, and then final one. And there you have it. Your Baby Trend is now ready for storage. Okay, all right, that's it. And then you can insert it back into the bag that it comes into. So let me show you. Okay, the thing that comes with it, you could also, I didn't put them in the bag, but you could also assemble them, put them together. And also insert into the bag. All right, so that's it. Let me pull up the bag so you can see what it looks like. There it is. Baby Trend. Easy to set up, easy peasy. 1, 2, 3 ABC. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope it helps for those who have problems setting up these Playards. Just follow the instructions, okay? Thank you again, and have yourself a great day. I'm out.